So today we are going to do my weekly budget for March week 5. It was an exciting month because there's 5 paychecks this month. Back at it again, so that's good. Didn't miss a week this time, or a couple. But let's go ahead and get started. So for income this week, Dane did not get paid this week. I did, however. And my paycheck was $693.78. Then we had a couple of other things for other income. So we had $84.60. This came from the rent money for the other property. And then we have $3,419.56. That is what I took out of our savings account. Quite a big chunk. So grand total for income, we've got $4,197.94. So let's go ahead and go down here. Zoom you guys in just a smidge. So actually, let's go down here really quick. Starting balance was $9.26. And then we had the income, which was $4,197.94. Fit that all on the screen there. Alrighty, and then we'll come back up here. So our starting balance for Chase is $1,400. Then I had some Amazon returns. I think I talked about it in my last video that I was going to have some returns because we ended up returning all of the stuff we had for curtains and curtain rods and things like that, and we ended up ordering blinds instead. So that was a return of $190.65. So then on 3/25, we had Harbor Freight. And that was $52.90. That is not right. Just a second. Okay, that was $52.90. Write it correctly. And then also on 3/25, we went out to dinner. We went to the Great Wall. That was $35. Next was also on 3/25. That was at Home Depot for $11.51. Next we have 3/26 for Peacock. And that was just 99 cents. Also on 3/26, we had Taco Bell. And that was $15.05. Then on 3/27, we had Walmart. This is all in other. So I purchased, I guess I can tell you the total, $305.12. I purchased two Roombas, one for downstairs in our basement, and then one. Our house is kind of on 2 levels because it has an attached finished garage, which is like our living room, and that's a little bit lower than the rest of the house. So we've got one for like the main portion of the floor, and then one for out there. So 3 Roombas going in our house now, but they were in the clearance section, and like it was a really good deal on them. And then I bought a few other things that we had needed. I'm trying to think what all I bought. The Roombas were the biggest portion of that. Alrighty, also on 3/27, I got Rallies, and that was $8.26. Then we've got on 328 Harbor Freight. I feel like that's Dane's new place to go. So now every time we go to Home Depot, we also go to Harbor Freight. So from Harbor Freight, that was $41.78. Also on 328. So on that day, they called me, and I'm going in for surgery for my kidney stone. And so I had to go get some blood work done. And so after that, we went and ran a few errands and got me some Dairy Queen, just 'cause. So that was $7.18. Also on 328 was Wild Bill's. And that's for Dane for his allowance. And that was $17.46. Then on 329, the Dollar Tree. And that was $11.93. Dane got a few things for doing projects around the house. So, like, he got some more mop heads to clean the walls with. I can't remember what else he got there. A few different things, like some paint supplies and different things. And then also on 329, we have Amazon. And this is for the home. I ordered a light fixture, which I'm super excited about. And that was $99.63. We're going to replace the light fixture in our front room. Also on 329, we've got the chiropractor. This was for Dane and I both, so $80. Then on 329, we had Taco Bell. That was $16.74. Then we have 330. This one I just added them together. Home Depot and Harbor Freight. And that was a total of $159.43. Most of that was at Home Depot. We bought paint and different supplies that we needed for that. Then we have 330. I got gas in my car. I'm sorry if you guys can hear the rain in the background. It is coming down out there. And that was $42.46. Then on 330, we have Amazon. And this is going to go in the other category. This is just things that I purchased. So it's my subscribe and save stuff. So I got some dry shampoo, and I think I got Dane's probiotic medicine that I buy. And that was $25.03. And I feel like there's one other thing, but I can't think of what it was right now. Also on 330, we went to Red Lobster. And that was $56.62. And then on 331, got our first order of Home Chef. We started that back up. We actually just did the first one tonight. It was really good. We did like a salmon cake and potato wedges. It was pretty good. That was $46.13. And then on 331, got Meijer. And that was $135.44. And I got a couple more, but I don't have room over there, so I'm actually just going to write it over here in the bottom because you know I never do a bunch of them over here. So also on 3/31, got 2 of them, and then we'll be all done. We did McDonald's for lunch. It was my long day, and I did not feel like cooking, and that was $13.98. And then we did Applebee's for dinner, and that was $26.49. So if we add these ones and all of this, plus our starting balance of the $1,400, if we go ahead and add that all together, gives us a balance of $2,418.48. It is a lot. But that being said, it's the end of the month, so like I said, I took from the savings account. And so we made the payment in full of $2,418.48, leaving a balance of $0 on there. So then let's go up here to Capital One. This one actually had a starting balance of 0 on 3/30. We have 2 of them for AAA. And this one was paid by the rent money. So AAA for our vehicles was $185.81. And then for our old house, it's $84.60 for the homeowner's insurance on there. So if you add those two together, it gives us a total of $270.41. And we paid that off. We paid $270.41. So gives us a balance of 0. So we're going to start both of them with a balance of 0 for April. So let's go down here to the payments section. So we paid Chase, and we also paid Capital One. Chase was the $2,418.48, and Capital One was $270.41. Grand total, that is $2,688.89. So we'll go ahead and put that over here under the payment section. So $2,688.89. So if we take our starting balance, add in the income, and subtract out the payments, leaves us with a balance of $1,518.31. And the reason why, like usual, why we have a big balance at the end of the month is because this money has to be there to pay our mortgage and our property payment for our 40 acres. All right, let's zoom you out for a moment. Okay, so there are other things that I don't necessarily put onto this budget. And I know I didn't do a beginning March monthly budget, but I'm going to close out my March monthly budget, so keep an eye out for that video. That'll be coming up soon. And in that, I will show the extra money that we had come in for our tax money, and for we got our money back from when they broke into our property and stole a bunch of stuff from us. So we have an insurance claim, and we got a check for that. So if you check out that video, I will show on the monthly budget what we did with that, because that entails our savings account and different things like that. And so if you're interested in where we put that extra money at, make sure you give that video a watch when it comes out. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you who take the time to watch my videos and to like them if you enjoy it. If you have not already, please hit that subscribe button. It helps to keep me motivated and keep me going. Like I said, guys, I'm going to keep at it. One way or the other, we'll get these done, and we'll keep plugging away. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.